Experience the life of a farmer. See how food is cultivated. Enjoy the taste of food made on chulas. Simple yet healthy food made by local farmers. Situated in the heart of nature in Palghar district at the distance of 2 hours from Mumbai. We believe that in this digital world, there is need to look after our traditional, more eco-friendly form of livelihood and spend some time in nature. We found this very needful and helpful for our future generation. We organize different festivals and cultural events, especially for school children, like Watermelon Festival, to be a farmer festival, Mango Festival, and many more. We conduct activities like bullock cart ride, tractor ride, farming, planting, rice grinding, tree climbing, traditional tarpa dance, games session, music and dance, and also enjoying in farm mud and lots of different unexperienced activities. This is really a different and amazing experience for the people residing in cities and urban areas. Schools can even conduct educational tours. For more traditional and cultural mesmerizing experience, do visit at least once.